Welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness series. In this series, we will explain common cyber threats in simple language and show you how to protect your business. Our first video is about one of the most dangerous cyber attacks affecting businesses today: ransomware. Imagine this. A hacker sitting anywhere in the world can target your business with a simple email. You may never know who they are or where they are operating from. But with one click, they can cause serious damage to your business. Hackers usually don't target technical experts first. They often target receptionists, front office staff, accounts teams, or any employee who regularly checks emails. Because these employees are busy and may not suspect anything unusual. The email looks genuine. It may appear to come from a customer, courier company, bank, vendor, or even a government office. The subject line creates urgency or excitement. Invoice attached. Payment confirmation. Courier delivery failed. Without thinking twice, the employee opens the attachment. The moment the attachment is opened, a dangerous program starts running in the background. It silently locks important business files, documents, spreadsheets, photos, customer records, accounts data. Suddenly, these files become inaccessible. The attack doesn't stop with one computer. If the infected computer is connected to your office network, the malware may spread to other systems. Within minutes, multiple computers and shared folders can be affected. Your entire business operation can come to a standstill. Soon, a message appears. Your files have been locked. To get them back, the attackers demand money. Usually, they ask for payment through cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. But here's the biggest problem. Even if you pay, there is no guarantee that your data will be returned. The first line of defense is employee awareness. Train your staff to identify suspicious emails. Encourage them to verify unusual requests before opening attachments or clicking links. Regular cybersecurity awareness sessions can prevent costly mistakes. Also use reliable cybersecurity software to block threats before they reach your systems. Every business should maintain multiple copies of important data. A good backup solution automatically saves changes made every day. Keep backup copies in different locations so that a single attack cannot affect everything. Most importantly, ensure your backup cannot be modified or deleted by attackers. Because when ransomware strikes, a reliable backup can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a business disaster. Protect your data. Protect your business.